Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the Standard 6, Chapter 8, Introducing the Python. जैसे पाइथन क्या है, तो इसकी ज़रूरत क्या हुआ. जैसे हैव यू ट्राइड मेकिंग द पास्ता ऑन योर ओन, सो रेसिपी टू मेक टोमेटो पिस्ता. इट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हाउ टू मेक टोमेटो pasta, and recipe is a set of instruction on what to do and when to do. The set of instruction use ingredient, that is input to make tomato pasta, is the output. So these are the recipe for the tomato pasta, and finally adding all the requirement ingredient to recipe inputs. Simmering the ingredient is processing, and product that you get after processing is output, which is our case is the pasta. Like computer also works in 3 stages, that is the input, processing and the output. To get the desired output from the computer, you key in the instruction computer using the different programming languages. These programming languages are the Python, C, C++, Lisp, Pascal, Java. So modern computer follow the set of operation that is called program, and Python is the simple programming language that is used to write the code for the computer program. Python was created by the Guido van Rossum when he was working at the Centrum Wisconsin and the Information CWI, which is the National Research Institute for the Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. The language was released in 1991. Python is a high-level programming language. Its features is it is easy to learn, general-purpose programming language. It is the platform-independent programming language. उसका मतलब ये हुआ it can be used for any machine in the any operating system. यह इसमें simple syntax होता है. Python एक case sensitive language है. यह एक interpreted language है. It is a free use, even free of commercial product. इसमें एप्लीकेशन वेरी पॉपुलर है. वेबसाइट बनाने में इसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, गेम बनाने में, प्रोग्राम रोबोट में, परफॉर्मिंग साइंटिफिक कंपटीशन एंड द डेवलप द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एप्लीकेशन. आप कंप्यूटर से इसको पाइथन को डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं. पाइथन इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस में आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यू नीड टू एक्सिक्यूट इट, डबल क्लिक ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर एंड रन द डायलॉग बॉक्स. उसके बाद कंपोनेंट्स में टाइटल बार हो गया, मेनू बार हो गया, और वर्किंग विद द फाइल मेनू, वर्किंग विद द एडिट मेनू, वर्किंग विद द हेल्प मेनू, स्क्रिप्ट एरिया, स्टेटस बार, पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, इंटरेक्टिव मोड. और इसमें सिंटैक्स होता है. सिंटैक्स रेफर्स टू द ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स टू द फॉलोड व्हाइल राइटिंग ए प्रोग्राम इन एनी लैंग्वेज. PySway is the 3D games engine that support the Python based games. उसके बाद you can press F1 key to use the Python help. Python integrated development and learning environment ideally execute the instruction one line at a time. Use of interpreter, use print function. Python is the case sensitive. Python 3.5 or the advanced version cannot be used on the Windows XP or the earlier version of the Windows. Using ideal as a calculator, it evaluate an arithmetic expression. It is not necessary to use to print function. A variable in the Python, a variable can store only one data value at a time. When a new value is stored in the variable, its previous values get overwritten. And assignment operator, value of assigned to a variable, use the assignment operator that is equal to. Used to write a variable names. A variable name must start with the alphabet, capital or small, and underscore. A variable name can consist alphabet, digit and underscore. A Python keywords cannot be used as a variable name. If a variable is being used without the assigning a variable, that is its variable cannot be defined, it gives an error. A variable is a named memory location that stores the data whose value may be changed during the program execution. A keywords is the word that convey the special meaning to the compiler. एंड ए कंपाइलर एक लैंग्वेज है, प्रोसेसर है, and convert the program written in the high level into machine language and vice versa, just like in the interpreter, but in one single step. A script is a program that you type in the Python. उसके बाद है डाटा टाइप. As you name, every piece of data that you entered in the specific data, your name is a string and age is the numeric and date is the journey of a data type. Basic data type. Python data type represents the type of a data stored in the variable. The data stored in the variable can be many types: integer, float, strings. Input function. Input function is used to accept the value of the variable from the user and to input integers and float values. You can use the int or the float along with the input. Features of the print function is the Python used to print the message to value to the output device. It converts message to an object into strings before writing it. उसके बाद है using the separator with the print function and using the /tab space, using the n line character. These are the details of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice